Hello everyone, welcome again on my channel. In this video I like to do an unboxing again of a Floveme product. This time it is a power bank from 10,000 milliamperes per hour. I will do the unboxing and maybe just a little test about the output. So let's open the box. Now, as you can see, there's a power bank inside and a USB cable for charging. Now, on the box itself, it's only Chinese language, so you cannot really see that it's a power bank. But once again, from Floveme, it's very well packed. Strong box. Let's see. Here it says 10,000 milliampere hour. The model is the VP 1056. Micro input 5 volt 2 ampere. Micro USB-C, sorry, is 5 volt 2 ampere. Also normal USB output 5 volt 1 ampere. And the second one 5 volt 2.1 ampere. As you can see, you can charge it with, no, it's not really clear. Anyway, you can charge it with micro USB, or on the back side, the bottom it's this is USB-C, and you have two outputs. Now one is the 1 ampere and one is the 2.1 ampere. It also has a screen. You can see how much is left, and on the side is also a power button. When I press it, you will see it's okay. It's already charged with 99%. That's already good, so you can directly use after unboxing. Now we'll do a little test and I will try how much output it has. Only for this test I cannot use a cell phone with fast charge, so I will use my cell phone with normal charge, like 1 ampere. Let's see, I will put it on the first. I will connect my telephone. As you can see, it is not automatically on, so you have to push the button. Okay. Now this port is charging with 5 volt and 1.41 ampere. That's quite good actually. For standard charger with this cell phone is only 1 ampere. So I think this is the 2.1 port, but there is no, the pity there's no sign on the back side or on the front which one is the fast charge and which one is the normal charge. Okay, I will try now to use the other port. Okay, on the screen it says also which one it is. This one is the 5 volt 1 ampere. Show you again. It's not really clear, but here it says 1 ampere. As you can see, it's also charging with more. It's already 1.32. I will try the other one again. Yeah, now it says 5 volt, 2.1 ampere. Yeah, now it's clear. So this port is 5 volt, 2.1 ampere officially. And this one 5 volt, 1 ampere. Anyway, as you can see, they are both charging with 1.43 ampere or 1.30 ampere. Okay. I think this is quite a good product also. It looks also very solid. It's not very thin, but it's also not very thick neither. I think it's also easy to carry. Well, I'm going to test it afterwards and maybe I can tell you later if it is really 10,000 milliampere hour or if it is just easily empty. For the moment I just don't know because I just unboxed it. Anyway, I hope you like this video again, and if you have questions about this item, please tell me. And if you like it, please like my video and subscribe, and I see you again in my next videos. I have more items from Floveme and other Chinese brands, so I will be back. See you again next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.